Hey y'all, hey team, BrandMaster Martina, Britt, Yelverton here. And as the leadership team of GSU, we are most powerful ambassadors of the GSU brand. Now that we're part of the leadership team, our individual social media channels are not just personal platforms. They are actually now extensions of the GSU voice and the way that we outreach now because of our different positions as we serve on leadership. So when we share our passion for GSU, our personal connections to the mission to develop 1 million world-class women speakers who transform their voices into impact, legacy, and revenue, we now engage our own various communities to, understand, know, like, and trust, right? We now create a ripple effect that is both powerful and impactful from our own social media platforms. Our followers and connections, they already know, like, and trust us, right? So now we must now realize that things are a little bit different because by associating our own personal brands with GSU, we actually transfer that positive energy into our own organizations, right? This is not about becoming social media influencers or anything like that. This is all about a strategic and new approach to authentically share our journey with GSU. And in turn, this will now inspire others to come and join us inside of the community. So what I want to do is actually feature each of us individually in our upcoming social media campaigns, along with the core values, the mission, the vision, and all of that for GSU. And to do this effectively, right, as indicated in our last meeting, I will need your full cooperation in providing your social media handles, your exact spellings of your social media handles and which platforms that you are on. Also, I'd like for you guys to share your professional bios that you've already submitted to Dr. Sherrill, because this will ensure a seamless professional execution of your social media features in the strategy that we have coming up. So I'm confident that by us working together, we can actually elevate the GSU brand more effectively. And so I want to take the opportunity to walk you through exactly how to access your handles so that you can provide those details inside of the GSU communications portal that we have going on here. So let me move this over here to this screen, and then let me select to share screen. And let's get the screen shared here. Let me turn on any volume in case there's something I do have to share and show, and get myself lifted over here to the right, making sure you guys can actually still see me. Okay, good deal. So what I want to do is take the opportunity to show you guys that now that we have moved this to a private group, okay, it's not public facing any longer. So if I were to open up, a tab here, and I were to go to the email address, not email, the URL that I gave you all previously, which is cp.there'snoplacelikeGSU.com. What will happen is you will come to this portal and you will need to log in. They won't be able to see anything public facing now because we made that slight shift where we took everything off public and now it's private. And hopefully you cannot hear my little doggy having a total and complete fit here in the background. Hopefully my noise suppression is working. So what I want to take the opportunity to do is show you guys here where you can begin to upload that information, right? So let's just use mine really quickly here as the brand strategist. I will go over here on the left to my channel. This pulls up my channel, and then I'm going to open up a separate tab and I'm going to go to my social media platform of choice. Let's go ahead and grab the one here for Facebook. And so now that I'm here on Facebook, up here in the address bar, I'm available to click and I can grab my entire link here. I can copy it, Control C on my keyboard, and then I can go back over to the GSU portal, and I can actually go into this particular statement and I can paste that here. Just as simple as that. You can paste it that way. You can say something extra if you want, hit the comment button, and now it will show up. So now I have my own Facebook. You can go and you can do that for each of your platforms. So if I were to go and grab another platform, let's say I go over here to YouTube and I want to grab that one, and then I will go up here to YouTube and I will be able to go up here and grab that from the address bar that way. Bring it back to the community. If I wanted to go in and edit this comment, I could edit that comment. Hit Control Enter, that drops me down the line, and I can add it there. Hit Control Enter again, go back over to that tab and grab a different one. So should I choose to do so, and I could literally go through and grab each of my social media platforms, control copying it, going into the community, control pasting it, hitting control and enter, and that drops me down on another line, grabbing all of my social media handles. So should I choose to do that, so that I can bring them all into the community as such and paste it in there, right? Once I'm finished, then I could hit save. Now all of the channels are there and I'm available to grab them. Additionally, I asked if you guys could submit bios, and if you choose to submit your bios, you can do the same thing. You can go and grab a bio from your social media channel, or you could grab a bio anywhere where you may have it saved. I'm going to show you. If I go in here and I grab a bio here, I'm going to copy this entire description, right click and copy, go here into the portal, and I'm going to locate and upload that one here and say enter there. And now my bio is there. This will allow me to come into the community for each of the different individuals. And if you are a committee member, let's go up here to the administration one, the alumni relations one, because I know in here, Deborah Bell is the actual leadership role for this one. However, she has a committee member, Grace. And as you see, I did not realize that Deborah had already done this. So yay. Deborah said, here are my social media channels. So hers are already listed here. The same for Grace. She is available to drop down hers right here in the comments because she is a part of this channel. The same for other people who have people who are committees. This may be Lucille, or this may be, let's see here, Erica Lane. I believe on Erica's team, she may have a committee, but you're available to go in for your specific role, go to whomever your specific role is. And if you have a committee member like Datasha is here, she can actually drop her channels here. So thank you, Deborah. I did not realize that you had left me your social media channel, so I appreciate that. And now I will be able to go over here into the website, and I will be able to go down to Deborah's. Let's see, scroll just a little bit further to Deborah, and I will be able to list her Facebook, her LinkedIn, and her Instagram links right here, as well as when it's time for me to feature these specifically on the public page, that is the public group. Let's see if I can get the public page up here. Thought I had it saved already. There we go. I will be able to go in, and here where we have featured the cohort, the fellows, and the leadership, I will have continued posting for every day of the week until we get through our entire leadership. I will have those posted and people will begin to like the page. So as soon as you guys are available, please come over and select to follow the public GSU page so that we can ensure that everybody is connected. I hope that makes sense for everybody. Okay. So that's really all that I have for you guys today. I'd love it if you could be coachable, teachable, trainable, and go and list your social media handles exactly as they come from your social media channels, as well as go ahead and upload your bio so I can get everything that I need to begin to drip out on social media when I begin to shift from my brand strategy role over into my social media role, and making sure that everybody knows who the leadership team for the GSU opportunity is. Thank you guys so much.